sa tawag namin Gold Morning. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to again thank everybody for your presence today. It's been a while, no? Medyo matagal na rin na last press con ko. That was, I think, way back before COVID pa. And there are a lot of developments in our company that I personally feel will be another way for us to expand our services, and of course, mas marami tayong matutulungan na Pilipino dahil dito. 1,000 Filipinos in the Philippines and around the world in the areas of peak performance, sales, motivation, and business workshops natin. In fact, we are also known for having produced thousands of rags to riches stories, no? So hindi po isa lang yung natulungan ng ating mga workshop na maging maging millionaire. We have produced thousands upon thousands of success stories. Yung Pillars of Success became number 7 na book in Amazon. It was recognized by Amazon as number 7 top best-selling book in one category of Amazon. Pero yung una kong libro, Abundance Factor, which I actually co-authored with Dr. Joe Vitale, yun naman po ay number 1 sa buong mundo, alright, in Amazon. Biohacking. So, sabihin nga natin, biohacking. Biohacking and yung tinatawag namin na frequency healing. But before I do this, I'd like to make it clear to everybody that, this information I will say to you, okay, is only for educational purposes, pero it's not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or any treatment. Of course, again, if you will ask me for any medical condition, I will always tell you first to consult with your doctor for any exercise protocol activity that you might encounter during my presentation. And it's not considered a medicine, it's a food supplement as registered in the FDA. And of course, nakahalal certified na rin yan. And it's being manufactured by an ISO certified malaking company yung nagmamanufacture. Alright, so we import all the ingredients from France and the US. No? So, and kinakapsule namin dito sa Pilipinas. Sir John, alam ko the premise ng biohacking. Alright, lahat ng sakit, alright, 85 to 90% is not like hindi siya, it's not an illness na galing sa iyong nakawakan. It's really coming from stress. Alright, it's from a stuck emotion. So if we can release that, how to become a money magnet workshop, attracting wealth, ultra magnet faith, or baka even more. Okay, and without medication, without kitang kargahan ng vitamin E, 1. Infection, cancer, high blood